In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact a user on GitHub. Whether you're collaborating on a project, have questions, or want to report an issue, reaching out to someone on GitHub is quite straightforward. Let's get started. First, let's explore how to mention a user directly in a comment. This method is effective for getting someone's attention and works across issues, pull requests, and discussions. Begin by navigating to any of these sections within a repository where you're already a participant or you're planning to participate. Inside an issue, pull request, or discussion thread, you can type the @ symbol followed by the user's GitHub username. For instance, if their username is example, you would type @example in your comment. This action will automatically send a notification to the user, making them aware of the mention. It's a handy way to draw in the right expertise or simply signal someone to look over what's been discussed. Remember to be thoughtful and considerate when mentioning others. It's a direct way of getting their attention, so always ensure your comment is relevant to them. Another method you can use is opening a new issue in one of their repositories. This approach is particularly suitable for bug reports, questions, or if you have a contribution suggestion. Start by navigating to one of the user's public repositories. On the main page of the repository, look for the Issues tab, typically found towards the top of the page. Click on it to open the Issues section. Here you'll find a button labeled New Issue. By clicking on this, you'll be taken to a page where you can provide the title and body of your issue. Be as descriptive and clear as possible. Include any supporting details that may help the repository owner understand your message right away. After you've crafted your message, review it to ensure everything is in place. Then hit the Submit button to officially open the issue. The repository owner and any contributors will now be able to see your issue and can respond accordingly. Both of these methods provide effective ways to communicate with other GitHub users. Whether your goal is collaboration, seeking help, or contributing to a repository, these steps should help you navigate the communication process smoothly. Just remember, clarity and relevance are key when contacting others to ensure that they can respond effectively. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy GitHubbing!